Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about how fast a Tesla can accelerate. Tesla cars are known for their incredibly fast acceleration, which is a major benefit of electric vehicles. Unlike gasoline engines, which need to build up power, electric motors deliver instant torque, giving you that thrilling, push you into your seat feeling right away. The acceleration from 0 to 60 miles per hour varies significantly depending on the specific Tesla model and trim level. For example, the Tesla Model S Plaid, a high-performance sedan, is one of the quickest cars on the market. It can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 1.99 seconds, making it faster than many supercars. Other models also offer impressive speeds. The Tesla Cybertruck Cyberbeast can hit 60 miles per hour in about 2.5 seconds, and the Tesla Model 3 Performance does it in as little as 2.9 seconds. Even a standard Model Y can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 4.8 seconds, which is still faster than many traditional sports cars. This rapid acceleration is not just for racing, it's a key part of the Tesla driving experience. The combination of instant power and a low center of gravity from the battery placement makes these cars feel incredibly responsive and agile on the road. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.